Introducing Canada to the world. My name is Mr. Bruce and you are watching us on Live Goes On GHTV, Toronto, Canada. Please make sure you subscribe, you like, comment and share. Please make sure you download Top Connect. Send money everywhere with no fees. Top Connect is our sponsors in Canada. And we have a WhatsApp group called Friends of New International Students, Visitors and Refugees in Canada WhatsApp group. We are 2,200 plus members. You can join this WhatsApp group plus this number, +1 289 242 3465. +1 289 242 3465. We have an event here in Canada called Meet and Greet Festival and Say Hi and Remember. Make sure you're gonna be there. One is August ending and another one is in December. Greetings to YouTubers in Canada. Follow us on all social media platforms. Mr. Charles, how are you doing?
I'm good, Mr. Bruce.
Justin Trudeau was in office for 10 years.
Have a new Prime Minister.
Yeah. It's gonna be nice. And so, what is the update about immigration now?
Well, there are new two streams. One is the caregiver stream. The other is the construction stream. So we'll talk about those two streams in details. Both streams are extremely good and a lot of people can apply to them. The requirements are, out there in the market. So even the minister has indicated that he's going to give PR to some illegal people also in construction trade, may be eligible.
Oh, nice.
The details of which are going to be out, more details will be out in few weeks, but that's a good sign. People who are working in construction industry, they are fortunate that they are getting, there's a particular proper stream for them. And the minister's focus is on certain jobs which are in demand right now in Canada. Construction is one of them. Caregiving is another one. And both streams, I think a lot of our clients from Ghana, Africa, they work in this stream and they'll be able to qualify.
Nice. Canada announces new pathway for residence permits, construction workers, and Mr. Charles, this new pathway, illegal immigrants can apply for it, right?
Yes, there is a provision for illegal immigrants in construction. And we'll see how they would qualify. The details will be out in few weeks or days maybe, and we'll be able to share you at that time what kind of documentations are needed if you have been illegal in Canada. But more so, people who have worked legally in Canada, there is a particular stream. They can apply for construction or they can apply for healthcare, caregiving stream. It's a good news for both of them.
Oh, that's nice. And what are the requirements?
Okay, so let's deal with healthcare first, caregiving stream. So in the caregiving stream, you need to have 6 months of education in caregiving, or you need to have an experience of 6 months. You need to be a high school diploma holder or equivalent. You need to have CLB 4 minimum, and you need to have a full-time job. So full-time job offer from an employer. The employer could be a household, any individual, or it could be from an agency which supplies, which deals with PSW, employment agencies which deal with PSW specifically. It could be an old age home, it could be an hospital, and anything. It's not, employment agencies are not included in this, but agencies which deal with particularly health related, specifically with health related employees, those are eligible. So there's a lot of choice, and if you look at the requirements, It's not very stringent, but more details will be coming out. And you should talk to your employer to give you a full-time job offer, and you would be able to qualify for this caregiving stream. Now, looking at the construction stream, the minister has announced that there are particular knocks he has added, particular trade he has added in construction, which are in short demand, short supply in Canada, and you would be able to qualify for construction stream. So a dedicated construction stream has been started, and now the minister is going to pick up from that particular stream. So people who do not have an express entry profile, they should create one. If you are in the pool and you have a construction experience, you may be eligible to, you might be eligible to get picked up.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Shailesh.
Interestingly, two more categories which might interest a lot of clients from Africa is the teachers have been, selected for a targeted draw. Then cooks have been selected for targeted draws. So anyone of my friend who has particular experience in teaching or cook, they would be eligible for targeted draws in express entry. So do pay focus, do pay attention on your profiles. If you haven't done so, contact us, we'll be able to help you out.
That is nice. Mr. Shailesh, thank you so much, and there is a lot of things going on. They say plumbers, electricians, teachers. How will one know he's eligible or not?
If you have an experience into any trade skill which does not require a license and you have experience in Canada, you might qualify for express entry or you might qualify for PNPs. There are certain skills which require licensing in Canada. For example, plumbing, welding, air conditioning, electricians. So if you have a license, you qualify. So either you have a license or you have an experience. But certain streams don't require licensing in Canada. Those are the streams you can target if you have an experience. But if you have a licensed, then you can qualify under the license category. To get a license in trade skill, you need to have you can contact redseal.ca. They'll be able to help you out to get license in Canada for particular trade.
Good. So what is the update about a care job too? A lot of people asking.
So with the care job, it's very important you have a full-time employment. Part-time employment is not eligible for this program right now. So you need to have a full-time job offer. So full-time job offer, you can get it from any household, any person who needs a caregiving person and he's ready to employ you, he's committed to paying you salary. So contact your colleagues who need, try to look out for people who need caregiving persons in your community, or contact old age home, contact hospitals, contact different agencies who need caregiving people, who are dealing with caregiving people.
Good, thank you. Can you come with a family member when you get an offer?
Once you apply for PR, you can apply for the whole family. When you're applying for your permanent residency through any one of these streams, you can apply your family members along with it.
Oh, okay, that's good. Thank you so much. And a lot of people are calling me Mr. Bruce. They approve my refugee.
Well, it all depends on your narrative, how you faced the interview, and it all depends on that. How good were your narration, how did you provide your evidence, everything, it all depends on that.
Okay. And someone told me he applied for refugee, he didn't go for hearing, they approved him.
That is also a possibility if you are a conventional refugee. So not everybody needs to go to hearing. the member has a power to, approve it based upon the evidences, based upon whatever he sees.
Okay, good. Guys, please make sure you follow us on all social media handles, and just type Life Goes On G8 TV. TikTok, Life Goes On G8 TV. Facebook, Life Goes On G8 TV. Instagram, Life Goes On G8 TV. Please make sure you share this video. And Mr. Shailesh, what advice do you have for the refugees and international students before we end the interview? A lot of people, when they apply the study permit extension, they get rejected.
Yeah, so they need to apply for TRP, or they need to have applied for visitor record before, or the option would be to go back to your own country. So TRP is an option, temporary resident permit. You can contact us for more details, and we'll be able to help you out in that. If you had some reasons which were substantial that you could not study at that time, or you cannot pursue because of any other reason, which are compelling reasons, which we will put into your TRP application, and hopefully your TRP application gets approved, and then the minister can allow you to study again.
Okay, thank you. Come to Canada, beautiful country. Guys, please make sure you share this video. Anytime you need help, just link up. Mr. Shailesh, RCIC, IRB will help you. See you another time. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, everybody.
Canada interesting questions of the day. Bye.
Are you a new international student, visitor, or a refugee in Canada? Thinking of where to get help in order to enjoy your stay here? Then, Life Goes On Foundation is here for you. We help you with accommodation posting, job postings, and references, free advice from RCIC, regulated Canadian immigration consultants, sharing and networking, advice and recommendations. So, why won't you tell your friends and family to join Life Goes On Foundation? Because with us, you are sorted. Life Goes On Foundation. Together, we can make it.
Introducing Canada to the world. Life Goes On Foundation, Toronto, Canada, LGO.